In this video, we are going to see how to apply admission for class 1 in KV schools all over India for the year 2022-23. First of all, in Google, you have to type KV Sangadan kvsangadan.nic.in. Just enter. Here is the Kendra Vidyalaya Sangadan portal. Here at the top you can see online admission portal for class 1. Just you click online admission for the class 1. Click it. Just you give OK. Now online portal is open. Here only you are going to apply for class 1 in Kendra Vidyalaya all over India for the academic year 2022-23. First of all, you should register. So click here to register. Here if you see the right side, here login, register, FAQ, help desk, home, all the details if you click you will get it. Here important links are given. Your application can be printed by using this print your application. Check your application status. Here the link is given. Instruction for filling the application form. Here the instruction is given. Video for filling the application form also available. First we are going to register. Click here to register. Once you click it, it will ask the language English, Hindi. So I have selected English. Here first point, many instructions are given. That is actually general instruction. So all the instruction you should go through before applying online application for class 1 for the year 2022-23. Here all the details are given. Valid mobile number is needed, a valid email address is needed, photograph, size JPEG form 256 kilobytes, then a scan copy of birth certificate in JPEG form or PDF form. All the details you should have before applying the online application. Now we are going to see how to register first. Registration is very important. Before registration you should go through all the points given in the instruction. Now here you have to accept. Just you click this box. I have carefully gone through all the instruction given in the guideline, admission guideline. Just you proceed. Here first name of child you have to write. For example, I am giving the name Raju. This middle name, if you have the middle name you can type it here, and if you have the last name, for example Raju Selvam, you can type the last name here. Otherwise it is optional only, so no need. Just you come to next, if the child differently abled, DA. If it is yes, you have to click yes, otherwise no. Not disabled, then you can click no. Date of birth for the child, you should select this column. First you have to enter the date and month, then year. In this format you have to enter. For example, here you can select the month and year. Here month I have selected March, and the year just year 2015, March 11. So 11 March 2015 is the date of birth of the child. Then is the child seeking admission a grandchild of Kendra Vidyalaya Sangadan employee? Here you have to select if your ward is KVS. If you are KVS employee, you can select this option, child of working KVS employee or child of retired KVS or working KVS employee. grandchild of retired KVS employee. These are, if it is not applicable, just you click not applicable. Next, email ID is very important. Here you have to type your own email ID. Email ID, you have to type it, your own email ID. Then mobile number. You have to enter your own mobile ID. There you will get the OTP. That OTP you have to enter in the next page. Now captcha code you have to enter. Captcha code AGSG7A. Captcha code enter, then give register. Now in your mobile you will get the OTP. That OTP you should enter here. You should enter the OTP. This OTP is valid for 15 minutes only. So what OTP is to be entered properly. Then the captcha code. Here you can find the captcha code that you have to enter. Captcha code you have to enter. If you didn't get any OTP, then you can ask them once again, ask them to send OTP. Resend OTP option is also available. Then verify. Once you verify, the registration is done. You see, you have successfully registered. Name of the child Raju I have entered. Login ID is available. Date of birth is available. Registered mobile number is available. To log in to the portal, here you can click. To log in to the portal, you should click here. Now the registered user sign in here. So login code and date of birth you should enter here. Enter login code. In your mail ID, you will receive your login code. Here the login code, you have to enter the login code which you have received in your email. I am entering the code. Then date of birth of the child you have to enter 15 March 16. Then again you have to enter the mobile number. Then you have to enter the captcha code. Captcha code FGQDMF. Then you have to log in. Once you log in, first step, basic information you have to fill up. Second step, parent details, choice of schools, 3 schools you can select. Then documents is to be uploaded, declaration and submit, final stage. Now basic details, here already whatever we registered, the Raju name I have given, that here you down you come the gender, whether male or female. Here you have to select male. Family income group, for example, if they do not belong to low income group, you have to select this one. Economically weaker section, EWS, they have to select the second option. BPL, below poverty line, they have to select the third option. When you select the second economically weaker section, they will ask the certificate number. Here you have to enter the certificate number in the certificate. Economic weaker section, then whether it is a Tahsildar or NIT, their authority who issue the certificate, their name is to be entered here. Then category of caste, whether the child is general, OBC creamy layer, OBC non-creamy layer, SC, ST. These are the options are given. If you are belonging to OBC non-creamy layer, you have to select it here. Once you select, it will be showing like this. Then here you can select blood group, whether A positive, A plus, B positive. This is optional only. If you want, you can select, otherwise you can leave. Here these steps you have to follow. Whatever we entered, these are the basic information. Next step, parent details. Once you enter this option, you can go to the next step. We have to enter PPL certificate. Do not belong to low income group. No need to enter anything. OBC non-creamy layer, you can select it. OBC non-creamy layer or SC, ST, which one is applicable, that you can select it. Blood group you can select here. Then you go to the next step. Now parent details you are going to enter. Title of the parents, mother's detail first. So you can say Mrs. So mother's full name of mother, Ramya. The nationality, Indian, you should select. Then, do you want to copy mother's residential address to autofill father's? If yes, the same address, you can click this one. Whatever you enter here, it will come in the right hand side also. So here you can select the father's title, Mr. Ram Kumar. Here we have enter father's name, nationality you have to select Indian. So these two details, for mother's detail, right hand side, father's details you have to enter. Then if the address are same, you select yes option. Here you have to select the country, India. Then state you have to select Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, which state you are belonging, that state you have to select it. The same will be typed in the right hand side. Automatically it will copy. Then city name, Chennai, you can type it. You see the right side, the same. Once you type the parents, mother's details, automatically father's details will be filled in the right hand side. Here you can type the address. You can type address. You can select right hand side also, the father side address. Then pin code you have to select. Pin code I have selected, right side also. Automatically it will be available. Landline number, if available, you can enter. Mobile number you should enter. Mother's email address you can enter. These details you can fill up. Then mother's, whether she is working or not working, here you have to enter. If she is a teacher, you have to enter teacher. Where organization, you can enter KVS, or you can write CSF, or you can write police, or you can enter the department, which department you are working. mothers can enter this side. Mother's details can be entered in the left side. Father's detail, information, father, where he or she is working, that organization name they have to enter. After entering these details, the next step, choice of school. Actually, you can select 3 schools. Select school 1, 2, 3. 3 schools you can select. For example, first you have to select the state. Which state you belongs. Suppose Tamil Nadu, you can select Tamil Nadu. Here the Tamil Nadu schools, all the schools will be available in the right hand side. You can find the schools available in Tamil Nadu. For example, here I have selected Kendra Vidyalaya, DGQA. Now it will appear like this: Chennai region, DGQA. Then school 2, select. You can do the second option, Vidyalaya 2. Again the state it was the same state, Tamil Nadu. Again I want to select another school, KV. Within Chennai I want some schools, KV Tambaram, or I can select Meenambakkam. So I have selected 2 schools. The school details here it appear: Airport Authority of India, Urban. Select school number 3. Here again it will ask the state Tamil Nadu. So the school name you can select KV IIT Chennai. Now 3 schools we have selected. If you want, you can save application. Afterwards also you can complete, but you can continue in the next one. Now I have selected the school. Now service priority category, here you can select. First, do you need help in filling service priority? For means if it is yes, it will help you how to fill up the details. Self-employee, here select the post where you are working: CRPF, CSF, CG, BSF, IIT, IOC, National, State Bank, or Post Office. Where you are working, there you can select this automatically. If you give yes choice, for example Post Office, I am working in a Post Office. So if you give no, you have to do all the work. Service, you have to select it. Here it will come first category. Here it is appearing children, grandchildren, or employee of the project school. It will come children of transferable, non-transferable, ex-servicemen. It will come here. Children of transferable, go through all the categories. Then which category you comes, accordingly you have to select. This is the second option you have to do. If it is yes, just you click it, then you select the department. For example CSF, you can select CSF. Then employee status, serving, you can select. Here children of transferable, non-transferable, yes, here you can select it. Then you can select parent whose service priority. Here you can select it, whether father is working or mother is working or grandparent or not applicable. For example, father is working CSF. Whether selected parents has been transferred in last 7 years, have been transferred last 7 years. Then if it is yes, you can click yes. Then down it will ask the details, where you have transferred, from which place to which place, and the date of joining. Other details it will ask you. If it is no, then nothing, you can go to the next system. Distance of school from residence: 5 km, less than 5 km, or more than 5 km. This you have to select for RTE. You are eligible for admission under RTE in the school as per KVS admission guideline. If you select more than 5 km, it will show you are not eligible for RTE. So I want RTE. So eligible, you have to select within 5 km. Then you can write the priority, select the service category, transferable, non-transferable. These details you can please, based on data, do you need any help? You can click yes, then it will show you all the details. You can fill up accordingly. Now photo has been selected. If you give upload, done. Second, the photo again you can upload. Okay, file uploaded in both cases. Now you can go to the next step. That is the last step, declaration and submit the form. Here you have to accept. I have read the above mentioned terms and conditions and I agree with them. This here you have to select. Then you can save to preview or preview submit application. Once you submit application, you will get the message in the mail that registration completed. Okay, so save to preview option is available that you can give. Later you can do some modification if you want. This way you can complete the first standard online application for the year 2022-23. Thank you.